Hi, this is Dr. Rebecca Gilbert with Tahoe Aesthetic Medicine. I'd love to show you our offices here, so come with me. So it all starts right here. This is our front desk. This is where you're going to meet Pamela, our practice manager, and she'll get you all started. You then get an opportunity to spend some time in our lovely waiting room where hopefully you'll be comfortable with your beverage of your choice, but you'll never wait long before you head back this way. So you will start off with some photos here so that we can help identify exactly what you'd like to see improve. If you're doing any injections, this is our injection room where we'll do everything we can to make you comfortable and get you the results you want. You'll come down the hallway here if you're doing a laser treatment. So this is our laser treatment room where we do all of our skin improvement. And this can be a wonderful experience that can transform your skin. So come with me. If you are waiting any period of time for numbing cream to kick in, this is our Japanese massage chair and a small room where you can relax and enjoy a wonderful massage. And then finally, here's my office. And this is where we have the opportunity to sit back, relax, and talk about your goals. So we really hope to see you in the office someday. This is Dr. Rebecca Gilbert with Tahoe Aesthetic Medicine.